Hi, my face. Yeah. As you can see, girl looks crusty and musty as hell. I'm about to fix that because I've been down. I've been having cold for the past week. I don't know if you can tell from my voice because in my hair my voice is echoing. I don't know if it's also echoing, you know. But yeah, I've been very down with cold. So I feel a little better today, this morning. So we're gonna take this down. It's as crusty as it can get. We're gonna take it down. I'm probably going to retouch my hair later this evening. But yeah, let's take this bad bitch down. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to say. This video should have been posted about a month ago, but I don't know. Honestly, I do not have any excuse. Honestly, I don't have any excuse. But yeah, I decided to add it up so it won't be too short, you know. So I'm just going to continue this vlog. Let's pretend one month didn't just pass from the last clip to this clip. Okay, let's pretend like it didn't just happen. Anyways, thank you to everybody that checked up on me. A couple of you checked up on me. I really appreciate it. Thank you. I'm fine. To be honest, I'm perfect. I was just lazy. I was just being lazy to post. So, as a matter of fact, I've been editing this vlog before now, and I just dropped it at, you know, where it was and left it in my app. So now I'm completing it so that I can post it. And you guys, I'm going to try to post back to back to back because I plan to do some traveling here and there throughout the rest of the year. So yeah, we're going to be having a fun ride this period, right? So yeah, thank you for checking in on me, and please stay tuned and watch the rest of this vlog. Yeah, as you can see, my face is a mess. Can you tell? You can. I think it's obvious. My face is a mess. I've been struggling with hyperpigmentation, mostly hyperpigmentation and minor breakouts here and there. So usually I'm not a skincare person. I don't care about stuff like that. I don't do skincare and stuff like that. I usually have good skin. My skin is usually not flawed, not in a bad place, if you know what I mean. But for a while I noticed my skin has been breaking out a lot. So today we are going, what do I call it? But we are going to get some stuff, some products and stuff like that. Yeah, basically. So that's what we're doing today. Hi guys, I'm back home. I wasn't able to film while I was away because guys, it was just hectic. It was just a lot, so I couldn't film. But let me show you guys what I got. Some of the things I got. I'm going to be doing like a haul. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I gotta figure that out. Wait, should I just, okay, you know what, let's do the perfume. No, let me do an unboxing. I don't know what to do, you guys. Let me go do an unboxing, proper unboxing. Let's unbox the perfumes first. Let's start with this one. This is a brand that I got the perfumes from. Yeah. I got the famous Kayali. Alright, so I got the famous Kayali. Let's go ahead and unbox. Oopsie. Okay. Oh, this perfume looks cute. Oh, and it's so cold. It's literally cold. Like it's chilled. Chill. Like cold. Do you get, yeah, do you get what I mean? It's chill. Let's see. Do we really like it? Let that diffuse. We'll come back to it. Okay. Oh, is this the camera by Latafer? I got this to Leah, other perfumes. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Okay. Let's unbox this skincare product. We have this cotton pad. Cosmetics cotton pad. We have this uncover sunscreen. We have this uncover kidney serum, dark spot serum. Yeah. We have this face wash. We have this sponge, foam, not sponge rather. We have this facial toner. Yeah, I think that's all for the skincare. I got myself a new foundation, and my foundation is almost finished. My moisturizer, my EOS moisturizer. This is the moisturizer I use. EOS Vanilla Cashmere. Yeah. What else? Nothing else. Lip gloss. I think this was a gift, with the complimentary stuff, whatever. And I got this beauty blender. Yeah, that's basically it.